A U.S. judge on Monday ordered the Trump administration to give details about the hundreds of Venezuelans it had deported, despite that judge blocking them from doing so. Judge James Boasberg also gave the administration until Tuesday to explain why it believed it had complied with his order. The White House said the more than 200 Venezuelans deported to El Salvador were members of the Tren de Aragua gang. The deportations happened over the weekend, many under an 18th century law known as the Alien Enemies Act, historically used only in wartime. Lee Gallant, a lawyer at the American Civil Liberties Union, spoke to reporters after Monday's hearing.
We had serious concerns going into the day that the government violated a federal court order. Today did nothing to dispel it. If anything, it reinforced that our view that the government may very well have violated this order, perhaps even knowingly violated. The president is simply thumbing his nose at Congress. Congress has said when you can use the Alien Enemies Act.
Also on Monday, White House spokesperson Caroline Leavitt defended the administration's move.
This administration acted within the confines of the law, again, within the president's constitutional authority and under the authority granted to him under the Alien Enemies Act.
Monday's hearing followed a request by the government to remove the judge from the case. And shortly prior to the hearing, the Trump administration said the judge's directive to return any planes carrying the migrants was not enforceable because it was not in a written order. The administration also said it did not violate a subsequent written order because the planes had already departed when it was issued. Several legal experts interviewed by Reuters viewed the flights as a direct challenge to the judicial branch's independence. Meanwhile, the president of Venezuela's National Assembly, Jorge Rodriguez, said the deported men were denied due process by the U.S. Since taking office in January, Trump has sought to push the boundaries of executive power, cutting spending authorized by Congress, dismantling agencies, and firing tens of thousands of federal workers.